Hello dear students. Today we will start chapter 3, a visit to Jaipur. So let's do warm up. In warm up you will tick the mode of transport that you would use to travel long distance. Means we have to take the the means of transport whichever you will choose for the long distance. Suppose you are going to travel or you are going to visit any places for a long distance, like from Jaunpur to Lucknow, Delhi, Kanpur, Kolkata. If you want to go anywhere, so which means of transport you will choose? So which you will choose? I know that you can take like train, you can take train, or you can take ship, or you can take aeroplane. If you want to go out of the country, you can take aeroplane or ship. Suppose if you want to go nearby market, so what you will choose? You can choose which one? You can choose the auto. If you are going to village, most of the villages, have you seen there, you can find the means of transport of bullock cart, so you can choose that. So wherever you want to go, you will choose it uh, to see whatever the distance of the place. Okay, now come to the next page. Here in this chapter, what is there, you can see here is a written. Let us read the letter that Riya writes to Raja about her trip to Jaipur. In this chapter, we will find that there is a letter which is written by Riya to Raja, who has been left the school and gone to the other country. So let's find out. So here you can see I have written 1 2 3 4 5. What is that 1 2 4 5? I have divided it is in paragraph 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so let us read the letter. So what Riya is writing to Raja. So firstly she has written the address of her. What is that? To Fairview Apartment, Kolkata 25. Then she has written the date. She has written 21 March 2019. At that date she has written this letter. Now what she is saying, just find out. Dear Raja, how are you? I have been missing you very much since you left the school and joined Seven Oaks School in London. Do you like your new school? Have you made some new friends there? So in this paragraph, Riya is asking to Raja that she is missing to him from then whenever he left the school and joined the school. What is the name of that school? Seven Oaks School, and this school is in London. Then she is asking about that how is the school, and she is asking that has he made some new friends. Then in the second paragraph you can see, earlier this month we had long break. My dad decided to take us all to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, for a new days. We wanted to enjoy some Rajasthani food and catch a glimpse of Rajasthani culture. In this paragraph, she is telling that earlier this month, they had got a long break from school. So her dad had decided to take them to the Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan for a few days. Then what they wanted to enjoy some Rajasthani food and catch a glimpse of Rajasthani culture. Then in third paragraph she is telling, from Kolkata we took a plane to New Delhi and then hired a car till Jaipur. She is telling that till Jaipur they took from Kolkata to New Delhi, they took the plane, and then from New Delhi to Jaipur they hired a car. Though Jaipur has a large airport. We wanted to enjoy a road trip. You see why they had come to till New Delhi only from plane. They can come till Jaipur also, but they came only till New Delhi because they wanted to enjoy a road trip. So from New Delhi to Jaipur, they came by car. You see, then after Dad had booked 2 rooms in the tourist lodge run by the Rajasthan Tourism Board, and in Jaipur, her dad has booked 2 rooms in the tourist lodge. Tourist lodge where the tourists are taking rest. They are keeping their luggage. They are taking rest, and then they used to go for the visiting the places. So, and that lodge was run by Rajasthan Tourism Board. Then in the fourth paragraph, you can see we arrived in the evening and decided to rest for the night. They reached in the evening, and then they decided that we will take rest, and the next morning they will go to visit the places. So, early next morning we went to visit the Amber Fort, and early next morning they went to visit the Amber Fort. We took a taxi to this beautiful fort that was about 10 kilometers away from our hotel, and that Amber Fort was 10 kilometers away from their hotel, so they took taxi for that. Dad hired a local guide who told us about this old fort and its history as we walked to the fort. So her dad, he hired a local guide. Who is local guide? Guide the person who is taking the tourist to the place and telling the qualities and what is the importance of that monument or buildings. They are telling, they are called guide. So who told us about this old fort and its history. So the guide was telling them what is the history of the monument or the this fort. Now as we walked to the fort, how they were walking, the guide was telling them. Then in the fifth paragraph, the magnificent fort comprises a palace complex built from pale yellow and pink stones. Now she is telling how magnificent means extremely impressive and attractive. So she is telling that that palace was so attractive and it was built from pale yellow and pink stone. That building was made of pale yellow and pink stones. This palace complex is divided into 4 sections. That palace complex was divided into 4 sections, each with its own courtyard, and each 4 section were having their own courtyard. If you will visit the Jaipur, you can see there. We entered Amber Fort through the Suraj Pole, that is Sun Gate, and when they entered in the Amber Fort, that the place whatever that the made there, the gate, that gate name is Suraj Pole, which leads to Jaleb Chowk main courtyard, and from that Sun Gate they went to the Jaleb Chowk. This area could be viewed by women from the windows of the palace, and this area could be viewed by the women. This main courtyard Jaleb Chowk, this place is she is telling that that area was viewed by women from the windows of the palace. Means the women, those who are living in the palace, they were viewing the Jaleb Chowk from their windows. From Jaleb Chowk, a beautiful stairway leads up to the main palace, and from Jaleb Chowk there was a stairway. The way was means they have to go from down to up from the stairway, and then they reached to main palace. We were happy that the guide was with us, as there were many narrow alleys and confusing turns. They saw that there were very narrow alleys. Narrow alley means the way was very narrow. The narrow passageway it is called. Alleys means, And confusing turn, the turns were confusing, means if you will entered in one alley, you will be confused that from which side we have came and which side we have to go. So we can be confused. So they were happy that guide was with them. He took us through the various courtyards, alleys, and temples of the fort. She is telling that he took them to the various courtyard, alleys, and temples of the fort. These had brilliant mirror work and stone patterns, and that were having a brilliant mirror work and stone patterns. They were looking this and enjoying the moment. Then in the next paragraph, sixth paragraph, you can see the next stop was the Hawa Mahal. After firstly where they had gone, they had gone to the where they had gone they went to the Amber Fort, and after Amber Fort now they are ready to go Hawa Mahal, the palace of the winds. Hawa Mahal is called the palace of the winds. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799. So who made the Hawa Mahal? Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh made this Hawa Mahal, and when in 1799. The Hawa Mahal is made of red and pink stone. Hawa Mahal is made of red and pink stones, and from the outside it's look like a beautiful honeycomb beehive called honeycomb. Every room in this palace has different colored marble walls, and every room of that palace has a different colored marble walls. In means if whichever room you will go, you can find the different color marble walls. The royal ladies used to watch processions and festival from the 1953 windows that were built for them. And the ladies who were living in that royal palace, they used to watch from this 953 window the processions means the people or vehicles moving forward in a queue. Means in Hindi you know that julus or any parade, if anything was happening there, anything was going from there, so the ladies of the palace, they were using these windows to watch that processions. They were not permitted to mix with the commoners outside. And why they were using these windows they are using because they were not permitted to come out and mixed with the commoners means common people. Okay, now in the next paragraph, since it was past lunch time and we had breakfast long back, we were very hungry because they had taken breakfast from so much back time. So now they were feeling hungry. So our driver suggested a restaurant that served traditional Rajasthani food. Their driver, he suggested a very good traditional Rajasthani restaurant, and they went there. We were in for a pleasant surprise as the food was served in the silverware, and they were surprised when they got that their food was served into silverware in the utensils made of silver. The utensils was made of silver. The royal interior with the golden and marble panels on the walls took us back in the time. And when they saw the interior of that restaurant, it took them in the back of the time. They were feeling just like they are in the Jaipur in the ancient time. We had pyaj ki kachori, that is deep fried flour dough filled with fried onions and spices, gatte ki sabji, that is chickpea dumpling cooked in spicy sauce, and rice. So what they had eaten in their lunch? Pyaj ki kachori, gatte ki sabji, and rice. We also drank soothing, mildly flavored buttermilk. The restaurant had an outdoor seating arrangement. That restaurant they had organized, they made some arrangement to sit the people outdoor. Why? So we watched the beautiful sunset that evening. For what they had arranged? To watch and enjoy the sunset of the evening. We were all very happy to be eating such royal food in a superb place, and they were enjoyed a lot to eat the food in that superb place. In the next paragraph, you can see the next day we visited the city palace, the Jantar Mantar and the Mansagar lake. Now she is telling that the next day they visited city palace, Jantar Mantar and the Mansagar lake. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful with the beautiful palaces, temples, forts and hills. The city of Jaipur, if you will go, you can find the beautiful places, places, temples, forts and hills. I will write to you about the second day of our visit in my next letter. She is telling that she will write about the next day, visit of next day in her next letter. Last paragraph. I hope you enjoyed reading my letter. Now she is telling that she is hoping that Raja will enjoy by reading the letter. I would love to know how your holiday went. Lots of love, Ria. Then she said that I would love to know how you have spent your holiday. Lots of love, Ria. So it was the letter written by Ria to the Raja. Now we will do the exercise in the next video. Thank you.